Hello everybody, today is December 15th, 2011, and I have some sad news about the price of silver. Well, maybe some of you will find it's good news, but here's a 1-year chart of silver, and if you can see we're pretty much right back to where we started, 0.24%, so we just passed the 0% mark just yesterday. I'm just kind of reevaluating what I should do with all my money and all my investments. Not that I have a whole bunch of that stuff, but you want to be smart with what you have. And I took a look at the bank, and right now the current interest rate on some savings account is like 1.25%. So that's pretty much nothing. So if I put it into silver at this point, and if you guys have seen in some of my previous videos, I was actually lucky enough, I put my money in the silver as a savings account. So that's my savings. So when I need money, I need to sell my silver. I get criticized for selling silver, but that's what I need to do, and I don't know why these people criticize me if they plan on dying with silver in their grave. I don't know why people buy silver if they don't have the intent on selling it at some point. So I was lucky enough, I needed some silver, and I sold some at 47, and this is before the silver went up to 50, then back down, and then another one at 42, and then the silver price dropped from there. So within this year, you can see right here, I did over 54%, and then when it dropped down to here, I was still at about 40% of silver that I bought. And I even bought a little bit lower. This is going back to, this is the 1 year, so this is from December to December. I actually, 2010, August and September 2010 was when I bought my main part of silver. So I've done extremely well. But anyone that's bought silver within the last year has been through quite a roller coaster. So I do have some good news here. If you want to take a look, I'm going to compare the price of silver to the price of gold. And I did this in my last video, but I just want to reiterate the importance of this. One of the big names in silver is a guy by the name of David Morgan. And he taught in one of his videos, he teaches it actually a bunch of times, that the price of silver compared to gold is about 80% correlated. That means about 80% of the time they're doing the same thing. And if you can see this right here, this is when silver kind of took off. It wasn't correlated with gold. So there's only a matter of time where it can go up like this and gold go like this and then drop back down. But if you take a look at this area here, gold and silver are once again doing almost the exact same thing. They're mirroring each other. The reason you watch gold so closely because gold is probably going to take off first. Mike Maloney teaches in his book, Guide to Investing in Gold and Silver, is that gold is probably going to take off first. And then once gold takes off, the price is going to get so high and so expensive, not everyone's going to be able to afford it. So the next best thing is silver. So then I'll take silver way off. Why are gold and silver going to rise? Because of just unstableness in politics, in governments, in financials. And right now, December 2011, you can see all those things. There's problems in Europe, problems in the States with money. One country that doesn't make the news a lot about their finances is the United Kingdom, England, whatever you call it. And it's just because the euro is so much bigger than them, but they actually are in a worse situation than most countries in Europe. They can print their own money, but their debt to GDP is just phenomenal. It's one of the worst countries in the world. So there's going to be like the straw that broke the camel's back. That happened in 2008, and it's going to happen again. There's problems still not solved from 2008. They just printed money and threw money at problems, but the whole system is not working, and I feel it's going to crash again. So that's why I'm going to continually make videos about the importance of having gold and silver, regardless of your financial situation, regardless of what you think is going to happen in the future. It's good to have some gold and silver as a backup. I'll be making another video about this soon, the importance of doing, like, separating your investments into different products, different asset classes. So here we can see the price of silver went on a roller coaster here, and now it's coming back down with the price of gold, which I mentioned in my last video. But I do feel that it's a good time to buy. Anything sub 30 is a great deal. With that said, I do a lot of shopping around. I pinch every penny, so I do a lot of shopping around every time I want to buy gold or silver. And one thing I continually find, if you buy in bulk and buy from an online dealer, that's the best price you'll always get, even paying with the shipping. If you go to a store and buy so much silver and pick it up yourself so you don't have to pay for the shipping, you'll always do a better deal buying in bulk. And when I say bulk, I mean like over $200. When you buy $200 and above, buy it from an online dealer, get it shipped to you, that is almost always the best price that you can do for the silver or gold that you're buying. I have right down here, if you want to take a look, 2 links to different companies that I have bought from before and different companies I know people who bought from before. And they're very stable companies. They definitely try for the best prices. And they have a lot of good products and good deals on there. So take a look at that. I know it's been a little bit of a roller coaster, but regardless, silver is safe, gold is good. And as you can see by these charts, they've been they've been doing a lot over the years. So let's see what 2012 brings. Hope everyone has a good day.